Come test drive the 2008 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lamps, rear-wheel drive, inside you'll find OnStar, cruise control, cup holders. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along.